Now for the second tool, this one is going to completely change how you approach your YouTube strategy. Go to your browser, search for Thumbs.ai, and you're going to see this very beautiful interface. Sign in with your account, open up YouTube, and let's search for Mr. Beast to test how good this tool is. Let's find one of his thumbnails that is good and better enough. Let's go with this one. Copy the link, go right back to the tool, paste the link right there, and click on Generate. Look at that, it grabs the thumbnail instantly. Now come down to the advanced mode. You can choose either YouTube Longform or YouTube Shorts. I like to go with two variations, which will cost 2 credits. Hit Generate, let it load, and prepare to have your mind blown. The funniest thing is that this tool can actually grade your click-through rate, predicting whether it will hit an 80%, 90%, or 100% CTR based on how YouTube suggests videos. If a link ever gives an error and says it was blocked by YouTube, don't worry, just look at this next attempt. Can you see this, bro? It literally replicated the entire YouTube video setup. Are you sure this is not where Mr. Beast secretly comes to make his thumbnails from? Look at the side-by-side comparison. The only difference between this Mr. Beast thumbnail and the replication is the arrow and the angle of the graphic. This is absolutely massive. If you want to create a video and you don't have an idea for the thumbnail, just copy somebody's link from YouTube, come directly to this tool, paste the link, and get an exact perfect replication example. You can explain examples people have already created and see the viral layouts. You can even use this tool to instantly download somebody's high-res thumbnail by pasting the link and clicking Extract. Or if you have an image on your phone, like this picture of Mr. Beast, just upload it directly, enter the description you need, and the AI will do it all for you. I highly recommend you go and try it out right now.